Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video. My hair looks weird right now, you know what I'm saying? I did a new hairstyle, but today I'm gonna do, it's not really a room makeover, but I got a new bed. So as you guys know, my whole setup is in my room. My bed is humongous, takes up a lot of space, so I decided to order a new bed, plus I was having back problems, so I got like a new mattress and everything. So in this video, we're gonna try to, I don't know, like to rearrange the room to get more space. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work out, but we're gonna try. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so at this point I was basically finished with the room. I started to clean, then I decided I wanted to go to Walmart because I was actually recording here but my mic wasn't working. But basically I was looking for some more stacks of the Sterlite containers so I could stack my shoes in, and I found a couple, and yeah, that's basically all I did at Walmart. I was looking for some more home decor, like some paintings, but couldn't really find anything. So yeah, now it's back to the house. Okay, so these two boxes I have right here, the brown box is actually my bed frame, which was from Wayfair. It's called the Peterson Tufted Upholstered Low Profile Platinum Bed, Platform Bed. It cost me 353 Canadian. It was on sale, so I had to cop it. It looks really cool in this black finish with, it's more like of a black fabric on top. Everything else is like cardboard, but it's really nice. It's really premium. It's low profile, which I like, and it's also in the twin XL size. In the white box is my hybrid memory foam mattress, which was from Amazon. I can't remember the full price I paid for it. I think it was $368 Canadian, which was a steal as well. It's from Lucid. It's a 12-inch twin XL hybrid mattress, really comfortable. And yeah, we're just gonna set these up as well. Alright guys, so basically right here, I'm thinking I'm talking to the camera again, and yes, the mic was unplugged. Basically, I just finished up the bed. It was super comfortable, and my friend was over, so I let her try the mattress, and yeah, like the mattress is just insane. I've never used a memory foam mattress before, and I was like over exaggerating on the bed, like oh my god, this is the best mattress I've tried. So that's why she was laughing. But then I let her try it, and yeah, she said the same thing, that it was just super comfortable, the way how it just like forms to your body. And yeah, this mattress and bed combo, super solid, and I'm proud of myself for setting this thing up. Okay Google, turn on the lights.
My pleasure, Shevon.
Alright guys, so there we have it. This is the new setup right now. As you can see, we have tons of new space here because of the smaller bed that we have in the corner. But let me know what you guys think of this new room. But before we go into everything in detail, let's take a word from today's sponsor, Skillshare. Alright guys, I want to thank Skillshare again for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. For those of you guys who have been following or watching the channel for a while now, you know I'm really passionate about personal development and building new skills in everyday life. And Skillshare is a fantastic resource for both of those things. Now, Skillshare has a wide variety of different classes ranging from creativity. They have classes to productivity and even classes about cooking if you're really into that stuff. So the class I've been taking recently is a video editing class in Final Cut Pro 10 from Ali Abdal, who's actually a YouTuber, well-known YouTuber. You guys probably know him. So I'll be getting an M1 Max soon, and this class is super vital for me. I love watching classes on Skillshare because there's no pesky ads. There's always launching like new premium classes as well, and Skillshare has tons of beneficial classes available. So if there's anything you always wanted to learn or to get better at, then Skillshare is the perfect place to start learning. Skillshare is also really affordable with an annual subscription of just under $10 a month. And of course, you guys know I got you. So if you use the link in the description and sign up, you'll get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership so you guys can go out and explore your creativity. And thank you again, Skillshare, for sponsoring today's video. Now back to the room tour. Alright guys, so walking into the room, the first thing you'll see is my bed, or you might see the PC depending on what you like more, sleep or work or play. And then just take a look at the left side right here. You have my wall. I try to put some picture frames up. I took those pictures myself and everything. Not took, but I printed them myself. Then use the picture frame. We have this fake plant over here. It's not real. I got this from, I don't remember it's called JNW here in Canada. I have some Phillips hue light over there, and I stuff a couple cables around the back. On top right here we have my headset, which is from Logitech. This is actually an RGB headset, really cool. And the stand is actually from Razer, which is like kind of funny because they're like rivals. And let's look at the PC itself real quick. Actually, let me pause right there. I just got this beauty right here, guys. So it's the Asus Strix ROG 3080 limited edition white, and just imagine that inside this beast. Whew. If you guys don't want to miss when I set this thing up, make sure you're subscribed because that video is coming soon. So inside here we have a 2080 Super. We have the Corsair RGB Dominator Platinum RAMs. It looks really cool. Corsair RGB fans, all that. It's an all-white build. It looks really nice. Inside here we have the i9 990K, so that's super good for video editing. Then we also have my mic, which is a Blue Yeti X, webcam, my monitors. I'm gonna do a dedicated review on this monitor right here, which is from BenQ. It's a QHD monitor, 34 inches, really nice. Then we have the Alienware gaming monitor right here. Needs to be upgraded on some stands. And as you guys can see, the cable management work is phenomenal right here. We also have my streaming camera, which is the Sony A6400. Have it on this monopod at the back around here, as you guys can see, really nice. I also have a rechargeable light on top for the streams, and we have a Sigma lens on there as well, so it's really sharp whenever I'm streaming. In terms of peripherals, we have the Logitech, I think it's the G915 TKL wireless. We have the Logitech MX Master 3, perfect for productivity. We also have gaming mouse. We have the Superlight and also the Razer Viper. Ooh, the Razer Viper Ultimate. I go back and forth between these two gaming mouses or mice, but yeah, I love them. But this one for productivity is like unbeatable in my opinion. No comparable mouse to this one. Of course, we do have the Google Home, which I use to control all my lights in the room. You can see all the weather information, everything like that. So if I go into here, you can see we can just turn off all the lights. We could turn it back on, and it's also voice control as well. In terms of cable management, the job is phenomenal. We also have a spare headset down here from Logitech, but the cable management work is second to none. If you guys look from here, you literally can't see any cables. The chair of choice I'm using is the Autonomous Ergo Chair 2. I did a full review on this, which I'll leave down in the description. But yeah, this chair is like amazing. I've been using it for like a year now. No complaints with this chair. If you ever wanted one,
check the links down below in the description. I also have this little stress reliever toy on the desk. Whenever like it's getting stressful, I just squeeze this thing, you know, take my mind off all the work. But yeah, I found this like at the dollar store. It's nothing too serious, but yeah, this, I just have it right here on my desk. So over to the left side of the desk, this is where I have like my shoe display. I have just this table that not really a table, it's like a shelf which I turned sideways. I got this from Walmart, both of them from Walmart actually. And yeah, let's take a quick look at all the shoes that I have inside right here. So the first shoe I have right here is the Dior B23 or 22, one of them. I know another one I have is the 23, so this is the B22. In here we have some Nike SBs, the Grateful Deads, nothing too crazy. Down here, another Nike SB, Civilist. I did a review of these on the channel as well. Coming on down here, we have the Air Max 97. Really cool colorway, perfect for the summer. Let's see what else we have. Of course, we have the Nike Air Force One Classic. You know, can't go wrong without that. And then in other drawers down here, we just have cables, controllers, all my mouse boxes. Down here is just like mask and stuff like that for outside. Now taking a look at this shelf, we have the Nike, I don't even have to say it, Air Jordan 1 Chicago Off-Whites. I wore this thing like probably 3 times. Don't really touch it anymore. The Dior B23s, staple shoe. I've worn this once on my birthday, haven't worn it again. And over here we have the big boy Balenciaga Track 3. Wore this once, haven't worn it again. Really comfortable. It looks big and everything, but it's actually comfortable on the feet. Then down here we have just like the daily stuff. So we have the wallet, the AirPod, the keys, all that. And I have this Phillips Hue light inside that's illuminating everything. Then on the left side we have my phone stand where I have kind of the phones that I'm testing. So I have some OnePlus, iPhones, Huawei phones, all of that. I'm gonna do a dedicated review on this OnePlus very soon, so make sure you guys stick around for that one. Then we just have the mouse, we have the controllers or the remote for the projectors right here. And I tried to organize everything, so I got this desk drawer organizer from I think Dollarama. So yeah, then in this drawer right here we just have like iPhone cases, cables, tapes, a scale for whenever I'm testing like the weight of stuff, of course. And you guys know I have COVID, if you guys didn't know, so I have to keep stock on fluids. So I just have like water and Gatorade here by the bed table, not bed table, but right beside my bed. And the bed, so I went ahead and installed some LED lights, RGB lights right around the bed, which can be controlled by Google. So I could say, okay, turn off the bed light. As you can see, it's off. Okay, Google, turn on the bed light. Boom. And I could change the color, all that stuff. But you guys know how much I love this bed. It's memory foam. I have 2 pillows right here, which is memory foam as well. You guys saw the process on everything. It's a twin XL bed, which allows me to have so much more space in here in the room. Walking down here, we have this little trolley I got from Amazon. I love this thing because I could move it around in the room, and I try my best to like organize everything. So I have some drawer separators, the A7C, different lenses, tripods, stand utensils, all that stuff, the remotes for my lights, everything here in the top drawer. Down here is like batteries, so I have like mics, batteries for the cameras, lens caps, bunch of accessories just stuffed all in here, which comes in handy, like adapters and all of that. Then the bottom shelf is just like headphones. I have the AirPods, just different random boxes, nothing too serious. And over here we have this smart power plug, which I could control with Google. Turn off the power strip. Moving on to this wooden drawer over here. On top we just have like a water bottle, a couple books, MKBHD times D brand cube, fake plant, HomePod, charging dock so I could charge my iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods right here. Have my iPad Pro, right here, and then inside these drawers are like clothes. So I have clothes up here. Down this bottom drawer actually organized. So these are just like a bunch of cables, USB-C cables, more cables inside here, but yeah, mostly HDMI cables and everything. Down here, another drawer full of product boxes that I just don't want to get rid of. Then in here, I need a spot for my laptops. So we have the Huawei laptop, another Huawei laptop, and the Asus Zephyrus Duo. This is my temporary laptop drawer for now. We also have a humidifier, which is perfect because I can't really go outside right now, so I have to have like good air. So this humidifier does a good job. And we have the tech YouTuber plant right here as well. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this room tour and you like the new setup, this is what we're rocking with. Look at all this space your boy has, man. I'm really excited about this new setup. I know my hair is trash. You could roast me. The best comment about my hair down below in the comment section will get my icon pack for free. So roast my hair in the comments. But yeah, I said before, if you guys want to see a dedicated review of my desk, I could do that as well, like a dedicated desk review. But yeah, I'm really liking the setup. Really clean, white, a lot of space. I love it. And yes guys, as you guys know, I've been battling with COVID for like almost 2 weeks now. I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm making content. If you guys want me to go through my timeline and explain to you how it felt and everything, I could make a video on that as well. It's all up to you guys. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. As always, love, peace, stay safe out there guys in 2021. And yeah, signing out.